Okay, ready? Now. My name is Paul Albert, and I'm a senior investigator and director of the Biostatistics Branch here at DCEG.
Get in here. Last timing ever. I have to go. Lovely to see you.
I'm Ruth Pfeiffer. I'm a senior investigator in the Biostatistics Branch in DCEG.
So I'm kind of prejudiced. I think it's the most exciting branch to be in, to be honest, because we get to play in everyone else's sandbox.
Scientists need coffee. It's the fuel of the brain. It's a highly interdisciplinary environment, so I get to collaborate with a lot of very brilliant scientists, like Dr. Gira.
I think there's inherent synergy with our research.
So these are the markers that contribute significantly to the marker score. The types of data that Gretchen's studies generate are very novel and cutting edge and need special statistical considerations to quantify the results appropriately. So this is where I come in. This is why we kept all of these models in the
What is really helpful to me is the way that you can frame the research questions and the methods in a way that I can understand.
That means that these methods are more powerful, and this is why I was using them. Because I figured that you could squeeze a bit more information out of them.
We work on analytic issues, both in the design and analysis of basically all the studies. We're also developing new statistical methods motivated from those studies, doing really important work in cancer screening, writing software packages that can be implemented on age period cohorts that have been used all over the world. We're also developing very cool multi-state models for risk prediction. And we're really excited about the future of Connect, looking at longitudinal biomarkers and how they could relate to risk. But we couldn't have done that without the richness of the NCI, the data, the collaborations with investigators here.
With descriptive epidemiology, which is my focus, there are a lot of tools that we use consistently. But there are times where I want to go beyond the traditional and understand the integration of risk factors, for example, and trends over time. We're really lucky here in DCEG that we have an entire branch of biostatisticians.
The biostatisticians are absolutely critical for everything that we do. The science of epidemiology goes hand in hand with biostatistics.
I don't think there's a biostatistical challenge that we've come across that they haven't spent 10 years already working on, so it's a great resource to have that brain trust to rely on.
Well, I think that makes me feel great. I mean, having that kind of appreciation, but also having that kind of relationship, which I think we do have, makes it the ideal place for biostatisticians to work. So we're really happy and excited about that.
It's a little bit of a, looks kind of, yeah.
Wet.
I'll remove some of the stuff over here. It's part of the charm, you see?
It's charm.
It's part of the charm, the
Leave it.
dirty cup.
I think
You see what I'm saying?
authentic.
It's authentic, you know?
You know what? Why don't we move this?
Is that chair in the way?
U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, National Institutes of Health, National Cancer Institute, cancer.gov, 1-800-4-CANCER.